After years of distancing itself from Western powers, Mali just signed a major mining deal with a U.S. company. To some, it's a sign of economic practicality, a necessary move to boost the economy. To others, it's a doorway for Washington's quiet return to the Sahel. On October 9th, Mali's state mining company Sorem signed a partnership with Flagship Gold Corp, a reportedly US-based company, to restart operations at the Morila gold mine, one of the country's largest mines. According to Mali's state broadcaster ORTM, Flagship Gold Corp will resume operations at Morila under a newly signed convention. The agreement reportedly allows Flagship Gold Corp to acquire equity in the mine, but exact terms have not been made public. The Morila mine had been dormant since its previous operator left in 2023. The government took over, acquiring 80% of shares, and is now seeking technical expertise and fresh investment to relaunch production. But online, the reaction was immediate and furious. Many Malians view this deal as a U-turn on the government's anti-Western stance. Critics on social media accuse the Malian government of inviting the US back through business, rather than bases, warning that economic cooperation could soon evolve into political or even military presence, especially after multiple US delegations visited Mali this year. After Niger expelled US forces in 2024, many Malians worry that Washington is now turning to Bamako to regain its foothold in the Sahel. While much of the opposition is vocal, some see the foreign investment as a potential benefit for Mali. The government defends the decision as purely economic, not political. Gold makes up over 70% of Mali's exports, yet production has fallen sharply in recent years. Officials describe the agreement as a win-win partnership. Looking at the bigger picture, this deal is part of a broader shift. Across Africa, the United States appears to be retooling its strategy, moving away from overt military engagement toward economic diplomacy. After being forced out of Niger and watching Russia, China, and Turkey expand their influence, Washington is looking for new entry points in West Africa, from mining to infrastructure. Mali, meanwhile, faces a delicate balance. Rejecting Western capital could slow its growth, but welcoming it back risks weakening the sovereignty narrative that has defined its policy since 2021. Why it matters? The Morila mine might soon produce gold again, but it's also becoming a symbol of Mali's bigger struggle, remaining sovereign while still attracting the investment it needs. It's a fine line between doing what's practical and standing by principles, and it's a balance the entire Sahel is now trying to maintain.